Hello, and how are you? Welcome back to another session of SolidWorks Sketch course. In this lesson, we will learn two powerful sketch tools, linear pattern and circular pattern, which allows us to quickly create repetitive sketch geometry with perfect spacing and symmetry. So, let's start and enter the part environment and choose a 2D space because the linear just work in a sketch environment. I choose front plane. We need something to pattern. Okay, first of all I draw two center line, for example here and here. Then I draw a circle here like that. Okay, so I choose linear here, sketch tab, linear sketch pattern. We need two axes, x-axis and y-axis. So here entities to pattern, we choose circle, and here is a space between two circle. Maybe we want a fourth circle. And here about y axis we need two and space. We can change the direction of our pattern here or here, so that its pattern, linear pattern. Here we could eliminate some of our circle. For example, I don't this circle and this circle. Click on the red button here and click OK. So now we learn how use of linear sketch pattern in SolidWorks. Another option is circular pattern. We should a point for circular pattern. Circular pattern copies sketch entities around a central axis or point. For example, I choose this point here, and entities to pattern. For example, I choose this circle. As you see, we have a circular pattern here, and we can change the number of circle here. Like linear pattern, we could delete some of items like that and click OK. Now we have a circular pattern. I show you another circular pattern here. For example, we have a circle here and we have another circle here. I click here, circular pattern, delete this selection, circular pattern. I need a point, I choose this, and I need a pattern, I choose that. As you see, we have a 4 item here. We can change the number of them, 10. We can delete some of them. For example, I don't these ones, and click OK. We have a circular pattern here. So this was about linear pattern and circular pattern. I hope you practice. That's everything you should know about linear and circular pattern in SolidWorks Sketch. These tools help you work faster, keep symmetry, and create professional design. Don't forget to like and subscribe for the next lesson. Bye bye.